Nothing beats the rush of speeding through the air on a motorcycle for individuals who have an intense desire for speed. These motorcycles deliver exhilarating speed, whether they're sleek racing machines, raw hyper-naked bikes, or potent supersports. The cost of the event, however, is like anything else in life and is frequently prohibitive for middle-class people like you and me. Fortunately for us, times are changing quickly. Our possibilities for a given budget are increasing as manufacturing costs decrease and technology become more widely available. If you have $15,000 to spare, there are plenty of high-performance bikes on the market that will satisfy your need for speed without going over budget. In today's video, we'll talk about 8 sports motorcycles under $15,000. Number 8. Yamaha MT10. We are now getting close to the maximum speed of 160 miles per hour with the hyper-naked superbike MT10. Yamaha offers 2 exciting MT10 models, the $14,500 base model and the $17,000 high-performance SP variant, which comes with a number of performance-oriented upgrades. The latter jumps out as our top choice for the greatest Japanese motorcycle of 2024 thanks to its excellent performance, brakes, suspension, and rider aid package. A 998cc liquid-cooled CP 4 inline-4 engine producing 165 horsepower and 82 pound-feet of torque powers both variants. This is the same engine found in the YZF-R1, which explains why you might believe you've heard of 998cc and CP4 previously. Number 7. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. Moving away from naked and supersport bikes, the single sport touring bike on the list is the Ninja 1000 SX, which has an amazing top speed of 155 miles per hour and starts at $14,000. This model, which comes equipped with cutting-edge rider assistance technologies, is perfect for offering the comfort required for high-speed touring thanks to Kawasaki's intelligent design and full fairing. With a powerful 1043cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine producing an amazing 140 horsepower and 82 pound-feet of torque, the motorcycle can cruise at high speeds on the highway with ease. The Ninja 1000 SX is a fantastic option for individuals looking for a sport tourer motorbike that is around $15,000 and offers the optimum combination of comfort and sports bike thrills. Number 6. Honda CBR600 RR ABS. With a top speed of 160 miles per hour, the Honda CBR600 RR is one of the few remaining 600cc supersport motorcycles in its class. It has had one of the most balanced chassis from its 2003 launch and major update in 2013, which adds to its stability and fluid cornering performance. It's well known for its extremely precise handling, which makes it a great tool for honing riding techniques before moving on to bigger bikes. It has the most sophisticated 599cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine with 47.8 pound-feet of torque and 119.3 horsepower for smooth power delivery. This mini Fireblade is the most equivalent MotoGP track day in this price bracket, with the ABS variant starting at $13,500. Number 5. Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. Among middleweight naked motorcycles, the Street Triple has long been praised for its agile handling and responsiveness. This reputation is enhanced by the new Street Triple 765 RS, which is Triumph's most potent street triple to date. Its 765cc inline-3 engine, which generates 128 horsepower and 59 pound-feet of torque, is largely responsible for its strength. With its lightweight aluminum frame, fully adjustable Showa fork up front, Öhlins monoshock in back, and Brembo Stylema brakes, the bike is a real track marvel. With a starting price of $13,000, it falls comfortably in between the 118.4 horsepower base R model and the limited edition Moto 2 edition model. Number 4. Suzuki GSXR600. While other manufacturers are abandoning the 600cc supersport class, Suzuki is sticking with its wildly successful GSXR600. The bike's 599cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine produces 51.3 pound-feet of torque and 125 horsepower, enabling it to attain a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The true secret weapon, however, is its unparalleled handling accuracy. The lightweight frame of the bike moves in unison with the rider, reacting swiftly to changes in direction. The $12,000 GSXR600 is a strong choice if you appreciate the traditional supersport traits of agility, track readiness, and a high-revving inline-4 engine. Number 3. Suzuki GSXS1000. Even though many Suzuki bikes are frequently disregarded, the GSXS1000 stands out as a model in the leader-class naked market that is especially underappreciated. At just $12,000, it's not only a head-turner thanks to its muscular appearance and cozy ergonomics, it's also reasonably priced and useful. Its weight of just 472 pounds, because to the lack of a fairing, makes it incredibly agile and easy for riders to maneuver through tight spaces. With an inline-4 engine that is taken from the GSXR1000, the bike can easily attain a top speed of 150 miles per hour, thanks to its 150 horsepower and 79.6 pound-feet of torque. The GSXS1000 is a tempting choice for anyone wishing to upgrade from a middleweight motorbike and looking for a naked sports bike at a great price. Number 2. Ninja ZX4 RR ABS from Kawasaki. Upon releasing the Ninja ZX4 RR, Kawasaki made a splash in the sub-400 supersport class. Even though it is the least powerful motorcycle on the list, its top speed of 151 miles per hour is astounding. With its 399cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine, producing 76 horsepower and 28.7 pound-feet of torque, the little Ninja can compete on the road with bigger motorcycles. It is outfitted with cutting-edge technology, such as the Kawasaki Quick Shifter, dual direction, and a fully adjustable race-spec Showa suspension. The ZX4 RR targets serious riders who can utilize their full ability on the racetrack to accomplish exceptional lap times, while its $10,000 price tag puts it on the higher end of the supersport spectrum. Because of the standards here, just be aware that the American spec ZX4 RR is detuned. Number 1. Kawasaki Z900S ABS. The Z900, with its aggressive one-of-a-kind style inspired by Sugami and its dominating riding position, is the epitome of a powerful middleweight super naked. The base model, which starts at $10,000, and the top-tier special edition, SE model, which adds extra equipment for an extra $1,500, are the two versions of the naked that Kawasaki offers. An incredibly light frame, standard ABS, and a potent 948cc inline-4 engine with 125 horsepower and 73.1 pound-feet of torque are all features of both variants. You receive a multi-purpose motorbike with outstanding handling, enhanced comfort, explosive performance, and a top speed of 152 miles per hour as a result. The SE version, however, has pricey Brembo brakes, gold-plated forks, and an advanced Öhlins suspension system. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.